Welcome to another lesson from Internet Money's new album, Before the Storm. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Devastated. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a D flat minor 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And you're going to finger pick the A string, D string, G string, B string. Next is a G flat minor 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and you're going to finger pick the low E string, A string, D string, G string. Next is an A flat 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And you're going to do the same finger picking pattern that we did on the G flat minor 7 chord. And then we're going to go back to the D flat minor 7 chord, and you're going to finger pick the A string, D string, G string. Then you're going to finger pick the B string, and you're going to hammer on and pull off on the 7th fret with your pinky finger. Then D string, G string, B string. Then we're going to do that whole first part again. Then once we get to the D flat minor 7 chord again, we're going to finger pick the A string, D string, G string, high E string, B string. Then we're going to lift the chord and pick the open E string, and you're going to hammer onto the 2nd fret of the high E string, then open B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Devastated. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.